health seekers, ready for a happy hormone hack? Dr. Matthew Marcotte is back and has it ready for you. Let's dive in. Last video, I unlocked the secrets of serotonin. Now, let's talk about how you can be a serotonin making machine. Did you know your body's amazing ability it has to make its own serotonin by using tryptophan? Think of tryptophan as the VIP ingredient. But guess what? Tryptophan is an amino acid derived from certain proteins. So you have to have protein to have that. So here's your grocery shopping cheat sheet for serotonin. Eggs, cheese, fatty fish, beans like kidney beans, chickpeas, black beans, meats, nuts and seeds. But wait, there's more to this story than just loading up your plate with these proteins. Your body also needs superstar sidekicks like magnesium, B6, zinc, and vitamin C to get the job done. It's not just about eating these awesome foods, it's about your body's ability to absorb and break down all this goodness. Ever feel like your digestion isn't quite working? If your gut's not happy, it might not be soaking up all these amazing nutrients you need to make serotonin. So before you consider a long-term relationship with medications, let's get to a serious, better, bigger question. Are you fueling your body with the right building blocks? Is your gut in tip-top shape to actually use those building blocks to make serotonin? Is your body's serotonin factory running smoothly? Let's be real, ignoring the root cause is like putting a Band-Aid on a leaky faucet. It might stop the drip for a bit, but it's not fixing the problem. Ready to dive deeper and get to the real cause and behind the real cause of serotonin deficiencies? Order a Pure Health Functional GI test. It's like getting a VIP tour of your digestion to see exactly what's going on and if you're actually absorbing those crucial serotonin cofactors. Let's team up and get to the bottom of this, because true, lasting healing starts from when we address the root cause. Let's get happy, healthy, and thriving together. Follow me for more videos like this.